Remember what we gonna do something? We're just a little bit, pretty much relaxing here, and you a little bored. Yeah. Here's the since we actually haven't made a single week of making probably our adventures or something. You see what I see? Wait, what? I told you, Ben. What is it, Tom? Are you sure we might gotta check it outside or something? Okay. Oh, that's fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, we need to find something. We need to go outside of. We had trying to discover. We needed something to discover. Maybe a friend, or is there some weird guy in the king suit who looks like a penguin? Who cares? All right, let's go, Ben. All right, Tom. Seriously, we gotta have a fun time outside, right? Yeah, here's the if we sure if that dogs are pretty much have similar claws as cats, but I think they don't have whiskers like cats and bunnies, but they have a lot fluffier than cats, a little fluffier than cats, right? Mine's a little smooth, and you are a little fluffy. Seriously, I don't get it. You see what I did? I have a tail, and you have a really long tail, a curly one. Yeah, you don't get it? And also we have different ears. You have different ears. Dogs have different ears, and cats always have that same ears. You know, they're a little pinkish. My ears and my nose are a little soft. Whoa. I don't get it. So, what are we gonna find? Maybe a new friend? No. I don't get it? I'm gonna find some new friends for me. But you already are my friend. I do. We all do. Silly dog. Hey, where are you? I know you're there. I think I hear some. I hope I didn't hear some loud growls. No, it wasn't my stomach or something. It looks like some animal who's like pretty much a killer tiger or something. Maybe he has only had 2 legs or something. Oh gosh. Oh, this one's safe. Oh, jeez. Oh, I gotta hide. Oh, here? Oh, that's good. I gotta go. Okay, what am I gonna do with this? Let me hide. Oh, no, it wasn't fit for me. How about this? I'll look safe. Okay, I just scared him. Okay, now I gotta find him. Okay, where is he? I don't get it. In the freezer? Not. Ooh, I love that pizza. In the fridge? Not even. Oh, look at this. Oh, wait. Where's my fish? Or do I need to get them turtle soup or something? No, I'm just gonna get those turtles. See, in that door? Okay. Why is it locked? Oh, wait. No. Where is he? I need to find him. Now I might just need to hide or something. Any other place. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna have to camouflage? What am I gonna have to do to get a camouflage? Ben, what's happened to you? I need a camouflage. This one? Oh, let me see. Let me see if it works. Is it perfect? Yeah. Let me camouflage myself. I think it's all it didn't work. Wait a minute. I think this wall is a little camouflage me. Not me. Let me see. Okay, I need something a little gray, or this. Oh, can I go to this one? There. That's good. Alright. It needs to be somewhere. Let me see. Here? No. In his bathroom? No. Or here? No. How about this? No. Toilet? Ah! Who cares about the toilet? Let me see. No. No. And then this side? No. How about here? And how about here? Oh my god, it sounds so far in here. I think it's actually pretty much running or something. Let me see. Let me smell it. I smell some fresh meat, which is a little dog like, not dog pound or Razar, and there's an evolution form. Let me see. Let me see. I don't get it. Oh gosh. 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 Here we are. I need to find him. Ah! What the heck is that? I don't know. It looks like a tiger. A tiger? Yeah, because we need something to try to escape from that thing. What are we gonna do? I don't know. What am I gonna do? Okay, where are you? I'm gonna hunt them down with this gun. Let me get it. I will gotta shut you down, and I must gonna use my claws in this gun. Where are you? Oh gosh, I think they noticed us. What? Okay, I just hear some voices. I mean, or is it just me? Am I gonna hunt them down and I'm gonna use these two guns. One for this and one for that. This is my guns. This is for fun. This is my guns. This is for fun. I have the eye patch. I look like a pirate, but I look like a hunter to me. And I have a small tail, and I have a hood, and then my clothing and my hoodie is actually blue, and those sleeves are light blue or sky blue, whatever it is. And now we're gonna hunt you down. Oh gosh, I gotta catch her. Ben, go. Where are you? Oh, dang it, my gun. Hang on. There. I gotta hunt you down with my guns. Rah. I gotta hunt you down. Like, I gotta hunt you down. I gotta cook you like that delicious pork cow meat. Oh my gosh. I think it wasn't safe outside. Let me see. Let me see. That? No. Looks like it has glass in it. Let me see. How about here? I think it's all safe. It didn't fit. Yeah. It won't fit for me. How about freezer. Thing's a little safe. Yeah. Oh gosh, I think. Oh, there. Let me see. Yeah, I think this will work. Let me see. How about here? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Huh? Let me see. Don't get it. Does he have to wait? I just see. Oh my gosh, it wasn't safe in that freezer. What the heck? How come he's running here? I did another victim. Oh gosh, I think we need to gotta run. Oh, Tom, we got you. It's so freezing out here. Oh, let me see. Was it safe in here? Oh god. Oh god. Let me get you. Oh gosh, I think we could just safe in here. Okay. Sweetie, I come here to hunt those pesky animals, or possibly just wasn't all mutated. Am I gonna capture them to actually become mutants, like Shredder says, and I gotta hunt them down. Let me see. Where are you? Huh. They look like they're dead. Huh. I'm gonna wait until they're alive. Whoa. Huh? Okay, who's there? Okay, who's there? Yeah. Huh. I think it's a little weird in this place. Oh gosh, they just move. Alright, I think we gotta get finally safe in here. Let's go. Ow. I'm just a hunter. I just gonna have to hunt you down. Like I gotta turn them into mutants. Huh. They're gone. Oh gosh, I think they're going to hide. We need to hide in here. Okay. Okay, I think we're safe. Okay? Alright. Close the door. Alright. Now I gotta hunt you down for now. I will be the one to take you down. Like that wolf. Dang it. Oh gosh, I think I lost my gun. Hang on. There it goes. Alright, now I'm gonna take you down, you little critters. That's strange. It looks warm. And it looks like I am in this little pesky critter's house. Or this room. And this outside, it's just a house. What the heck? Alright. Get out of your bed right now. Just go. Just come out. Just come out. Come out. Ugh. Ah. Oh gosh. Where is he? Who the heck are you? My name is Tiger Claw. And I'm the Shredder's royal soldiers, or possibly just hunters. Where's he? You're just like in the Foot Clan? Yeah. You know, because I'm just pretty smart for a hunter. Wow. Because you have guns? Even though sometimes I just have so much bullets and I gotta shoot you down, and I just gotta roar a lot, and I might, so sometimes I just have to put my hoodie because sometimes it's pretty cold in here, which is crazy. Right. Oh, that's crazy. Here, we are both have a summer ears, right? What? And mine is actually has gray fur, and you have orange and black fur. Sometimes you have a white face, white on your bottom face, and you have a red, cute nose. Stop it! And sometimes I gotta pretty much something to do. So what is it? Are you sure you're gonna shoot me down, or are you gonna shoot the poor kid? Like that one? Oh gosh. Yep, that's definitely him. Alright. Oh my gosh. That tiger creature kills Kenny. You bastard. Don't call me a bastard. Are you sure you get just a little late for dinner? Oh, sorry. Okay. I got my prey. I got my dinner. Alright. Oh, wait, there's some boyfriend in here. Okay, so just take my dinner. Alright. Oh, duck, I picked my gun. There's a little bit dropped. Yeah, my gun's dropped. Okay, who cares? So thanks for that dinner. So yeah. Oh, thanks for that. Just ask you to to shoot this poor kid and just shoot his arms, and you finally got your dinner or lunch. Because it's actually it's pretty early in the day. It's a little lunchtime-ish. Yep. Thanks, dude. I'll be with you. Okay. Alright, Ben. This is the reason why we don't have to go outside, because there will be a lot of dangerous stuff like the forest, or possibly creepy woods, and sometimes very much high risk of get ran over or something, like these poor animals. Yeah, I felt bad for them. Yeah, high five. Yeah, thanks. Oh, alright, high five. Wait. That's good. And you, sir? I gonna have a haircut on next Wednesday, so this is the reason I'm gonna upload this video really early. So yeah, because my haircut isn't gonna start until next Wednesday, so I think there will be either an update video for the vacation video, because the hiatus update or something. Yeah, the hiatus update might have been on Wednesday, which is gonna be why we gonna use minions or something, because it might be a little easy to do them. And for the other videos, there will be new videos new video will be the annoying orange video, which is might been gonna be he might gonna annoy another character, which is might been a random foot soldier or something. Yeah, maybe neither a little foot soldier that one, or the foot soldier and the foot soldiers. Maybe there's gonna be about 3 foot soldiers, the three soldiers, the three versions. I don't know. He will be annoying the 3 different versions of the foot soldiers called the foot cousins. Soldier cousins? I don't know. That title might have been a little bit different. Okay. So yeah, so hopefully on Tuesday and so Thursday, Monday, and Tuesday will be remastered videos, and possibly on Friday and Wednesday will be new videos. until, well, Wednesday will be the update video, and for, I don't know, was it Friday will be a new video? Yeah. And then when my vacation day started, it might have been on will be just gonna be minion based videos. So okay. Alright guys, I gotta see you for more, so hopefully you might get to subscribe us to reach our success. Yeah, thanks for 300 subscribers, like pretty much like several days ago. Okay. Alright, maybe we should go go to the safe place for outside. Okay. Alright, I got my gun. That's good. That was amazing for some reason. Oh, this was an amazing day for my life. See what I did? Alright. Hopefully am I gonna hunt down those bears. Well, I gotta hunt down those black bears. Because I gotta hunt down that mysterious black bear. Here go my mission. Here I go. Hey, I just made a good money on that camera. My bad.